Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mojito Mocktail at home full guide. Start by rinsing fresh mint and limes, then cut one lime into wedges and set aside. Measure 2 teaspoons of sugar or use simple syrup for easier mixing. Add mint and lime to a sturdy glass, and gently muddle to bruise the mint and dissolve the sugar before adding ice and soda. Begin with fresh ingredients and a tall glass for layering flavors and temperature control. Add muddled mint, lime, and sugar first, then pack in crushed ice for rapid chilling and dilution control. Pour 4 to 6 ounces of club soda slowly to preserve carbonation. Stir once or twice with a bar spoon to lift mint upward, and taste to adjust sweetness or acidity before garnishing with a mint sprig. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more recipes. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite pairs perfectly with summer reading while you sip a Mojito Mocktail, making recipe browsing by the pool simple and bright. I linked it in the description along with other deals so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Try easy variations to match your mood and guests, like fruit-infused simple syrup or a splash of coconut water for tropical notes. When making a pitcher, double or triple ingredient amounts proportionally and chill the mixture before adding soda to retain fizz. Always taste and adjust with 1 teaspoon increments of sugar or a squeeze more lime so the balance stays bright and refreshing for a crowd.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.